don't know what to think. I don't know what to think. Don't know what to think. Don't know what to think. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think. Don't know what to think. Don't know what to.
When I think about my feelings, what you did to me, I'm speechless. All the time I thought you were the one who loved me better. Don't forget about the good times that we had together.
Yeah. Yeah. Even when I don't wanna, I have to pick sides. No grudges, but this has fucking happened 6 times. 99 problems, but I chose to fix lines. Hiccups be the reason you don't pick up. Sometimes I wanna kill you with my own damn hands. I tell friends, no one understands. Sick widow with a long list of demands. Complicated, but it's on you, it depends. Oh yeah, I was hurt. You know what's worse? I hate talking about it on a verse. I'm sick of facing fears. Don't bring me no nurse. I'm sick of dripping tears, cause I'm a rest in a hearse. Maybe love wasn't meant for me, but I got it, I need it, I'm thinking carefully. Sick as fuck, but time is medicine. Can't stop a shit queen, I'm a king. It's everything, I'm still an angel with one wing.
You dead, but I just feel like you're the one who breaks my heart.